Ningxia Baofeng 640 MW smart solar plant.
Welcome everyone to Baofeng 640 MW PV plant located in Ningxia province, China. I'm Olivia. Today, let's have a tour of this spectacular solar farm together. Baofeng 640 MW solar plant has 3 features ranking #1 globally. First, it's the largest solar agriculture PV plant. Second, it's the largest PV plant constructed by Monocrystalline PV module. Third is the largest PV plant fully equipped with tracker system. From the center of PV plant, we can see 3,200 acres of solar panels on the top, while under that, 1,700 acres of Chinese organic off-berries is planted to the earth, which maximizes the land usage. The solar agriculture mode can provide a lot of job opportunities for local residents, helps them get rid of poverty. From the end of 2016 to 31 July of this year, Baofeng Group has generated about 4 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity, reduced 2.3 million tons of carbon dioxide emission, which is equivalent to planting 3.2 million trees. This is Huawei string inverters on 2015 KTLC1, and these inverters has protection levels as high as IP65, and this will provide good protections against sand and pest invasion. And it has 8 input, 2 input per MPPT. On the one hand, these designs can eliminate the consumable parts like fuels and enable the reliability of our system. On the other hand, these designs can minimize the mismatch of strings and increase the yields at least 2%. This is AC output connected to the inverter. Based on Huawei M-Bus communication technology, these cables carries not only the power but also the data. It means the data is through M-Bus rather than conventional RS485 cable. Without RS485 cable, the customers can save cost and enjoy higher reliabilities in life cycle because the RS485 cables is very fragile and easy to be destroyed during the agricultural activities. There is a tracker control box. In the past, it has nothing to do with inverter, but in this plant, the inverters plays an important role as communication channels for the trackers nearby. This means through these communication cables, the trackers can transmit data to the back office through inverter and M-Bus technology. This can save a lot of communication cost. And in addition, the inverters provide 3-phase power supplies for the tracker nearby. This also can save individual power supply cost. In a word, Huawei string inverters is not just a functional device, but also the master of our system. This is Huawei Smart Area Control Unit with smart logger inside. It's free of array, collecting data and sending commands to inverter. All network algorithms are integrated in SSAU based on AI technology, enabling the faster response to grid regulation. China's state grid has requirement for faster frequency shifting. It's one of strictest requirements in the world, and it's a challenge for faster response of inverter. Here is a certificate covered by China State Grid, providing Huawei string inverters can meet requirement of strict grid regulation.
大家好，我是谢孔宁，是宝丰光伏发电有限公司银川第四光伏电站的一名调度员。我们整个银川第四光伏电站采用的是华为组串式智能光伏解决方案。整个电站已经平稳运行了3年多，对华为这套智能光伏解决方案，我有很多的感触，想跟大家分享一下。首先，传统的集中式光伏电站，因为有很多的易损件。包括 LCD 屏幕，包括熔丝，包括风扇，这会大大的增加运维的工作量和运维难度。而华为的组串式逆变器就不会出现这种情况。我们宝丰光伏有13000多台逆变器，每年的故障率平均在2%左右，再加上光伏智能运维系统的配合。这样可以大大节省我们的运维人员的成本和消缺的时间，是非常有利于光伏电站的运行的。第二点，华为的组串式逆变器的并网调试非常的简单，再加之它很多的参数都很符合国家电网的要求，包括依次调频，包括高低压穿越能力，这对电网来说是一件非常好的事情，也可以极大程度上的保证电网的平稳运行。此外，华为的售后技术服务团队每半年会到我站来对我们的运维团队进行一次系统的售后培训，而且华为的售后服务工程师以及他们的后台研发会对我们的提出的问题都会做出及时的回答，对我们的帮助非常大。所以整体感觉上，华为的售后还是非常的不错的。
Now we come to our giveaway. It is a lucky draw. The name of each and every participant here today will be displayed on screen. At the end of the draw, one final name will be selected at random and displayed on your screen. This will indicate the winner of this giveaway. We are closing the end of today's event. Thank you so much for turning in and finding out what Huawei Smart PV is all about. We look forward to seeing you all in person again. Until then, take good care and all the best.